Start by marching through, right, left. Get those knees as high as you comfortably can. Swinging those arms, keep the shoulders nice and relaxed. Really step to the side and back. Keep the arms gentle for now because we're just warming up. Marching on the spot again. Try and keep those feet nice and soft, keeping the head up, shoulders relaxed. Ready to side step, this time to the left, stepping together. March on the spot. Let's add some arms. And push them forward, forward and back. So I'm reaching forward, touching my shoulders. If that doesn't feel comfortable, take it lower, that's fine. So I'm really pulling the elbows back, trying to keep them up high, shoulder height. We're going to add some arms when we go to the side steps. Join in when you're ready with the step, side step to the right. And left. An L shape. If that's too much, make it smaller. Change direction. Out to the left first. Really feel those shoulders start to burn. If it's too much, leave them out. And march it through. Bring it forward. So now you've got the arms going. Try and lift the knees a little bit higher. March it 2 forward, 2 back, forward and back. Let those arms relax for a moment. Shake them out if you need to. Ready for the side steps. Ready to change direction to this way with the arms. Ready to change. Tap the toes in front. Bring your elbows up in front. So choices here. Depending on how hard you want to work, you can keep the toe on the ground, or you can take it to a knee lift. It's a bit harder for the balance. Let's take it right left. So if you don't like that, just bring it down to knee. Change sides. Or more. Change for forwards. 4, 2, 1. Or toe taps. If you prefer. Change for 4. And change. And singles. Or toe taps again if you prefer. So this is your easier version, this is your harder version. The higher the arms go, the harder you're going to be working your heart. So make it your workout at your level. Let's kick it through. Let those arms relax for a moment. And again, if you prefer to keep the toe on the ground, that's fine too. If you can take it off the ground, even better. You're doing great. Just make it smaller if you're struggling. Absolutely fine. I want you to be slightly out of breath, but if it's too much, slow it right down. Grab a sip of water if you need to. Keep well hydrated. Come back to march. Do the tap. Breathe. One at a time. So again, options. 3, 2, 1. Knee lift. And you can add 2, 3 knee lift. 1, 2, 3. Keep the arms going if you can. If that doesn't work with your brain, like it doesn't seem to with mine today, then leave the arms out. And knees toe down. So there's your easy version. Oh, struggling today. Ready to kick across? 4, 3, 2, and. If you don't like what I'm doing in any part of the exercise, just march on the spot or do side steps, whatever feels right for you. As long as you're moving and you're not feeling pain in the knees or ankles, you're going to be doing exercise that's going to help you keep fit, get fit. Marching. 1, 2, 3. Start with side steps. Keep it nice and small.
I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I
Change direction.
I got no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and I just wasn't enough for you.
Change side.
I wish you could be happy.
Change direction. Change for 2. 2. Single steps forward. And clap if you wish. Really pulling those arms back. Just watch you're not going to hit the wall behind you, she says, carefully looking behind her. Last time. 4, 3, 2, and back. 4. 2 steps. And back. Side steps forwards. And keep it on the spot if you haven't got room. Or make the movement smaller. Back. Hold it here. Singles. We're going to take that step to the other side. So 2 steps and singles. Marching forward. And back. With a toe tap, or if you wish, a knee lift. If you haven't got much room, you can always take it sideways on your mat. I'm going diagonally so you can see what I'm doing. Coming straight forward is fine. Work with the space you've got. Toe taps if you need to. If you're feeling a bit overheated, if you're really breathless, then please take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake it out.
There is only one of you, only one of me.
March it through.
There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. 'Cause baby, I got you.
Side steps. 2 and back. Well done.
I've been scared to live 'cause some people never learn.
The rib cage going up and down. Try and keep the shoulders relaxed. Take it to a grapevine if you can. So step, cross behind, step, together. Step, cross behind, step up to speed. Swim with the arms and pull back. We're going to change it on the end. So hold it here, 2 out to the side and back. Either double steps or grapevine, whatever works for you. Hold it here, 4, 3, 2, other side. 2 each side. Grapevine and back. A little hop on the end if you really want. Next time on the end, we're going to hold it there and tap out or knee lift. But keep it with the toe tap if you want to keep it lower. Going to change it next time. Hold it here for a moment. Little side steps, catch your breath. When we go back to it, we're going to go with a box step at the end. So out, out, in, forward and back if you can. Are you ready? 4, 3, 2. Grapevine. Box step. Forward, forward, together. Grapevine. Box step. Grapevine. Box step. Grapevine. Do what feels right with the arms for you. For me, it's a swim. Inside leg first. Inside leg first. But whatever works for you, whatever your weight, the weight on your feet works. You know what I mean. Last one. Hold it here, single side steps. Let's change that to a toe tap, adding a reach. 3. Start to cool the body down slightly now. So tapping in front with the toe. Take it out to the side. So this time we're keeping the toe on the ground, keeping the arms nice and loose, shoulders relaxed. Taking it behind. I'm going to slow it down, push the heel into the ground, push the heel into the ground. So you might not be going back very far if your calf muscles are tight, but if you can, take it a bit further away. Work out how far you can go and still get that heel down. So a little bit of a gentle stretch on the calf. Side to side. Bring those elbows up. Just a little march, take the right arm, left shoulder, give it a little push. Feeling that stretch in the shoulder, cross the back of the arm slightly. Take it up and back. So you can either push here, hold here, Or if you're really flexible, you might be able to grab it at the back. But don't worry if you can't, keep it here or here. Better to keep some pressure on, give that stretch. Take it to the other arm, right arm. Left arm even, my right arm, your left. You're gonna push. If that's not working for you, you can always stand still. Try and keep the feet moving if you can. Arm comes up, down the back. Either push, pull, or pull. I'm going to keep it here. I'm going to go to tapping forward. Take that right leg forward, hands on the bent leg, come forward. Both feet pointing forward. Keep that front knee slightly soft. Look beyond your toes, feel the stretch in the back of the hamstring. Lengthen that hip away. So if I come this way, I'm pushing that hip back, feeling the stretch through the thigh. Again, tap, 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 change sides. Push that hip back, feel the stretch. If you really want to extend it, you can lift the toes up as well. Try and keep the back relaxed. Knee slightly soft, but you're feeling the stretch in the back here of the knee and the back of the thigh. And if you lift the toes up, the calf as well. And release. Hope you enjoyed that workout. See you again. Bye for now.